Bling! Huh?
Hi everyone, and welcome back to Daily Doodles. Today I'm going to show you how to draw the character Bee from Bee and PuppyCat. Before we get started, please feel free to like and comment and subscribe. All of that good stuff really helps out the channel a lot, and it is super duper appreciated. Alright, so let's start drawing Bee. I'm going to start with the face. This is going to be like a forehead right here, and then we're coming on down, and we're going to do an eye here in a moment. Do a little bit of a cheek, and come along here, the shape of the face. And now we can do an eye. It's kind of going to be like the number 6, only with a really big circle and backwards. And we can do a little eyebrow right here. And a little nose and a little smile. So let's do the other eye now, which is going to be like another backwards 6. And come on up a bit here, and then we can come on down above the second eye here we drew, and we're working on a bit of the hair. Another little part here, and then we can come down a little bit here, and now we're going to have a little bit of an ear. And then a bit of hair coming out this way behind, coming from behind the ear. And we can do a little curve right here for the ear. And let's do a line coming up this way, following that shape we've made. And I'm going to do a neck right there. And we'll have a line like this for the collar of the shirt. And we can come along this way with an arm and curve. And right here we can do a little curve and come on down a bit and follow along this way. And now we can work on some more hair up here. We can add lots of little poofs and curves. She's got lots of hair. And we can bring this arm over this way to the body. And we can do a little cuff here for the sleeve. And we can do a hand. So I'm doing a little thumb and bringing it here to the cuff. And then one finger, 2, and bring it back there to the cuff. Now over on this side, let's do another one. So bring this bit of hair up a bit. Oops, I made a little scratchy boo-boo, that's fine. And bring this arm down. And a line coming this way too. And we can close off this sleeve and give a little cuff here for the sleeve. And then do a hand. So we've got a thumb and some fingers. So let's finish off the hair. So we can give it a bit more height and then come on down this way, and then more floofy poof. In fact, I'm gonna kind of hide some of the little pen marks my pen just made when I kind of dropped my pen a second ago. Bring this line up this way, and let's work on a skirt. And we can do kind of a flowy line. Maybe there's a bit of wind. And we can bring a line down for a leg. And let's see, another one. And another one. And another one. And we'll do a line right here. It's going to be the other side of the skirt. It's coming out this way too. And bring it on up. Now we can do a curve right here and right here for her stockings, her socks. And we can do 1, 2, 3, all kinds of these little U shapes coming across here. And we're going to leave this one blank. And now we can do a little bee on our shirt. So let's do like an oval and then a thick line in it, and we can color in that thick line black after. And we can do 2 little wings. We can do a little eye and a little stinger. Okay, and there you have it. We are finished our sketch, and now I'm going to get started on the coloring. All right, everyone, we are finished our picture of Bee. Let me know what you think in the comments below, what you would like to learn how to draw next. And thanks so much for drawing with me today. Hope you all have the best day, and I hope to see you back here tomorrow for whatever we do next. Okay, everybody, goodbye.